Welcome to our kit delivery video. Stay tuned after for some random homestead chores and lots of puppy fun. My cousin drove out to New Mexico from South Carolina because they said we needed at least 3 people to unload the kit. Greg was scheduled to work, and at the last minute everything actually came together and he managed to be there for delivery. The kit took 12 weeks to arrive, and we had little to no control over the delivery date, so it's really important that you try to make sure that you're expecting delivery roughly when you'll be available to receive it. As you can see, it didn't take long to unload, and I think this job could even be done with just 2 people if necessary, but as they do request 3 or more, make sure you have the right number of people there. We had wanted to have a 40-foot shipping container available to store the kit in over winter, but unfortunately container prices are insane right now and we could not afford that. So that's on hold, and instead we're putting the kit on a pallet over winter.
Our kit's here! Woo! Yeah. Gonna build a house out here.
I had a few things I needed to do before my cousin arrived, so one of the things I did was clear the tumbles from the area where the house will eventually be so he could put up his tent and have a nice place to park without stepping in all the prickers and everything. Then Danny helped me make a cattle panel privy. All I did was drive in some T-posts, bend the cattle panel to secure it, and then toss up a tarp. It helps as a windbreak, and it's also a privacy factor. It's just as easy to go find a dune or tuck behind a bush out here, but sometimes you just want to stay in camp, so it's an option. Also went around and gathered up some cow poop. I try to just do this every time I'm out to help get a pile together for spring. So Danny helped me hunt around for some cattle poopy, and we got our cow dung pile going. Once all our work was finally done, we piled into the van, 3 people, 3 dogs, and we drove off to Santa Fe. Danny couldn't wait to show Cut the square where she loves to go potty. And a stop at the best patio in Santa Fe for dogs, Casa Sena. On a walk around the property, Cut found some cattle bones and brought them back. So Danny was sure to steal one so she could keep it for herself. And a night at a hotel so everybody could get a hot bath and a good warm night's sleep. The weather was finally starting to turn cold for the year. Shh. Hush, hush. Thanks for watching.